Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen clearly. So today's webinar, I want us to start off with a chart on my screen. I want us to start off with the Euro USD. We'll move to 4 hours. So on this chart, basically, these are the good levels. These are the levels we're looking at. We have a very good demand zone, supply zone here. We have another supply zone here. And then we have a very good demand zone here. We have a very good demand zone here. We have another very good demand zone here. And then we have another very good demand zone here. So as it is right now, if the price can ascend and close above this zone, we'd like to see a retracement back towards the same level to mean that the price is now continuing to the upper side. So if you see any signs for a buy, we're going to look for a buy position, expecting that the bars will push us upwards at least up to this point here. So we're not buying just because the price is upwards, but we're buying because we had a bullish break of structures, and then we've had price keep giving us higher lows. We had a lower low, a higher low, a higher low, and a higher low, and currently the price is within this supply zone. If the price should break and close above it, that will be a very good sign that we are now looking for buy positions, expecting that the bars will push us upwards towards this red zone here. So that is basically my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I'd like us to have a look at, I'd like us to have a look at GBP USD. With GBP USD so far, also we are bullish, we are upwards. If you check this chart keenly, you can see that for some time now, the price has been forming higher lows. And at the same time, we've seen several bullish break of structures. We had the first one here, we had the next one, we had the next one, we had the next one, and as we're talking now, the price is around this area here. So technically speaking, we are in a very good uptrend. We are in a very good uptrend, and all we want to happen now is we want to see the price ascend and close perfectly above this level to confirm that we are now indeed upwards. So when the price goes up, we want to see a retracement back to the same level to pick a long-term buy position. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with this chart here, we are also upwards. We have seen the price continue to move in an upward manner. There are still no good signs for a sell. The price is continuously moving to the upper side. So from what I can see here is we just want to see a clear breakout above this line. This is 144.892. If the price should break and close above it, above this zone specifically, then we want to wait for a retracement back towards the same level to mean that we are now continuing even higher. So when the price goes above this line, we want to see a retracement back towards the same level to push the price even higher. My next chart is Brent oil. With Brent oil so far, we have a very good demand zone here. We have a demand zone, we have another one, we have another one, and we have the red zone here. If the price should ascend and close above this red zone, that will be a very good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side, at least up to this zone here. If this zone is broken, the next target is this one. If this target is broken, the next target is this one here. We will move forward to Bitcoin. So with the Bitcoin so far, nothing much appears to be happening on this. The price has been in a range for almost 2 weeks now. We have, this is the lowest low, and you have this is the highest high. So technically speaking, if the price descends below 29.49 2.17, that will be a good sign that we're now continuing to the lower side. If the price breaks above 0.33, then that will be a good sign that we're now extending to the upper side. But as it is right now, we are only interested in reversals. We are going to we are going to wait for price to clearly ascend and close above this line to confirm that we are upwards, or the price to break and close below this line to confirm that we are now downwards. My next chart, this is gold. So with gold so far, we are having a very good zone here. We have another one here, we have another one here, and we have another one here. Then we have a resistance here, we have a resistance here, and we have a resistance here. So if the price breaks below this green zone, it will be a good sign for a sell up to the next level. If the price breaks above this zone, it will be a good sign that we're now upwards up to this zone. If this is broken, the next target is this one here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.